Isaac, welcome. Good to have you with us. Did these twin storms affect any of your projects? And you have lots of stuff going on down there. Any of your projects in long-lasting ways?
Good afternoon. Thank you for having me on the show. Thank God, no, we were not affected. And unfortunately, due to global warming, there is no escape from Mother Earth and the natural disaster that we see around the world. And thank God that the governor and the state officials are doing a great job. And the storm was not really the Category 5 that everybody expected. But we still see a healthy demand. We still getting emails from people. Yesterday, I got an email from a potential buyer from Chicago looking to buy a condominium in Naples, Florida. And yesterday, I visited our sales office in West Palm Beach for our Ritz-Carlton project. And Ritz-Carlton residents is enjoying a very, very healthy demand. So we still see a lot of people moving to Florida from other states, from New York, Chicago, California, and other states.
Let me probe you on that a little bit, because there are some signs in some of the data that some of that in-migration seems to be slowing for two basic reasons. One is concern over these large weather events, and two is the rising price to insure a home. Are you seeing that? It sounds like you're not seeing any slow up in migration or inquiries.
We don't see a slowdown, exactly the opposite. Since the last drop in interest rate, we see the sales centers are more busy, more people coming from other states, more brokers bringing clients from South America. Still, South Florida and Florida in general is enjoying a very, very strong momentum for the last 5-6 years. We see a lot of companies moving here and a lot of families moving down to Florida. As far as insurance costs, unfortunately, it's something that we deal with that for the last few years. And I talked to some of my friends and partners from other states, and they see increase in insurance costs as well. The last 12 months, we see things are getting stabilized, and we hope that things are going to get better and better. Definitely with the drop in interest rates, we think that this is going to be a good sign for real estate, and history shows that when rates are going down, real estate markets are doing very well.
Is there a shortage of available housing in Florida? In other words, is demand outstripping supply? Obviously, you've got a lot of properties, a lot of units under construction.
So we do see a real demand, and we having a housing crisis. There is more and more people that wants to exchange their old houses, their houses to condominium, from condominium to houses. The kids are leaving the house, so the parents are moving to a smaller condo. We see people moving here from Europe, from the Middle East, from Israel, from South America. And I still see a lot of people moving to Florida. And we see in our sales center, we have a lot of the buyers telling us where they're coming from. And we see a very healthy demand from other states. And it looks like people are not getting nervous or scared from these natural disasters. Then, unfortunately, you cannot escape them. We see floodings in Europe and earthquakes in other parts of the world. So really, this is not something that anybody can control.